Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of silver can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, silver now trading at a level of $32.2750, and we have seen 3 green candles are forming. Okay, and when there is a green candle forming, what we see on the technical side that there is a higher chances that it can go further upside. Okay, it is close to the resistance which is coming at a level of around $32.5. So if the price sustain above this particular level of 32.5, we can see there can be a further rise. But if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it will go further low, and from there it can go towards next level, that is 31.7. This is a strong level, so we can see a bounce back can come from this particular level. Okay, and if it didn't sustain that level, a further fall will be there. Looking at this particular chart, chances of sustaining on a higher side is on the high side, because a U pattern is forming. After that there is a trend is there, so probability is high that we can see it can touch a level of 33.4, and from there a further upside we can see towards 33.7. Suppose if the price started going below this level, we can see a level of $30.8, and once started going below a level of 30.7, we can see it will fall below a level of 30.4. so chances of going towards 30 will be there, and then from there 29.7, and then a further fall will be there. So probability of moving below a level of 29 we can see. Okay, looking at this particular chart, chances of sustaining above this level is there. But so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, if we look at the dollar index, see, dollar index plays an important role. Okay, the price now trading at a level of $99.7. If we form a swing at this particular level, suppose if it form a swing, chances are high it can go further upside, and from there it can touch a level of $100.9. Okay, suppose if the price moving above that particular level, chances of going towards $101.8, and if the price moving above this level, a further upside we can see towards 102.7. Okay, and if that sustain, a further high we can see towards a level of $103.3.1 to a level of 103.5. okay, and if the price moving above this level, a further upside we can see towards a level of 104.5, and from there a level of $105.5, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see. But if the price didn't sustain, it can come down again towards a level of $99, and once started falling below this level, we can see the price can move further down towards 97. Okay, so when I'm saying that the dollar index started going upside, we will see the price of silver comes down. Okay, similarly, if the dollar index started going down, we see the price of silver goes up. Silver, gold, crude and natural gas goes up. Okay, but it is not 100% right, because see, this is what we, but sometimes they both moves in same direction. Okay, so in that case, or whenever you start your trade, put your SL so your capital will be safe, and trail your SL so your profit will be safe. These two things you have to do. We can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, there is a higher chances that we can see the price can go towards a level of $32.5. Okay, suppose if the price moving above this particular level, chance of touching 32.8 will be there. Okay, but suppose if the price going above that particular level, chance of touching 33.2 we can see, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards $33.4. Suppose if the price moving over this level, see, this a U pattern is forming, so we can see the price goes above that particular level, chance of touching $33.8 we can see. But if the price going above that particular level, we can see a level of 34.2, and if that sustain, we can see it will touch a level of 34.6. This is what we can see, a U pattern is forming. Okay, and if the price going above this level, a further upside we can see, so chances of touching 35 will be there, and if that sustain, a further upside will be there. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, the probability of touching $32 will be there, and if the price going below that, if the price going below that particular level, chance of touching 31.2 we can see, and if the price going below that level, we can see a level of 31. Suppose once started going below this level, we can see a level of 30.7, and from there a level of 30.5. Okay, after 30.7 we can see a level of 30.5 to a level of $29.5, and from there it will move below towards 29.3, and once started falling below this level, we can see level of 29.2 to a level of $28.3, and then a further low we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,